What if your brain could chase your goals, even while you sleep? What if success wasn't a battle, but your mind's default setting? What if the life you want was simply the life you automatically move toward? Because here's the truth no one tells you. Your brain is already automated. The only question is, who programmed it? Your brain is a machine built on repetition. It doesn't follow your dreams. It follows your patterns. Every thought you repeat becomes a wire. Every action you repeat becomes a command. And every belief you repeat becomes a prison or a weapon. Right now, your brain is on autopilot, not toward greatness, but toward whatever it has learned is normal. If your normal is procrastination, your brain will drag you back to it. If your normal is doubt, your brain will replay every fear. If your normal is comfort, your brain will sabotage any path that requires growth. But here's the dark secret. You can rewrite the code. Step 1. Identify the loop. You can't reprogram what you can't see. So ask yourself one brutal question. What does my brain do automatically that destroys my progress? Scrolling, delaying, avoiding, overthinking, telling yourself later when you know that later never comes. Awareness is the first crack in the old software. Step 2, build micro actions. Your brain doesn't care about motivation. It cares about momentum. A goal that's too big scares your mind. But a micro action, that's a Trojan horse. 1 push-up, 1 page, 1 minute of focus. Small actions slip past the brain's resistance. They build identity, and identity builds destiny. Step 3, repeat until it feels strange not to. This is where reprogramming happens, not in intensity, but in repetition. Do something long enough and the brain stops questioning it. It becomes automatic. It becomes default. It becomes you. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You sink to the level of your systems. And then your systems, they take over for you. Step 4, remove the friction. Success is not about adding things. It's about removing what slows you down. Delete the triggers, reduce the noise, cut the shortcuts, clear the path. If your environment supports your goals, your brain will follow without force, without willpower, without negotiation. Step 5, visualize the future and feel it. Your brain cannot tell the difference between imagination and reality. Emotion is its programming language. Picture the future you want. See it. Feel it. Step into it. Do this enough times and the brain starts looking for ways to make it real. Automatically, relentlessly, obsessively. That's not motivation. That's rewiring. Your brain is not the enemy. It is the strongest tool you have, but it follows one rule. It obeys the master you trained it to obey. Train it with fear, and you'll get a fearful life. Train it with doubt, and you'll get a doubtful life. Train it with discipline, with clarity, with small daily victories, and your brain will drag you toward your goals, even on the days you feel weak. This is how you transform your future. Not by force, but by design. Reprogram the mind, and the body will follow every single time.